Hi everyone, I'm Madison Wright. Welcome to my presentation of my final oral exam for Dr. Grantham's Summer 7210 course. I'll be discussing two objectives I completed this semester, my future plans, and good organizations for networking. The first goal I achieved from the syllabus was objective number 6, examine historical, legal, and policy challenges and triumphs faced by students from culturally diverse backgrounds. The U46 case was relevant to me in that the school demographics seemed similar to mine. However, the gifted Hispanic students were in a separate learning environment which violated equal protection clauses and civil rights acts. This was very discriminatory because it was inspiring to hear how they achieved change for an equal curriculum. I also found the 60-minute news report of tracking in Calhoun County, Georgia intriguing because it is so close to home. This was following Brown versus the Board of Education, where they declared separate but equal unconstitutional. The students here were being separated within the school based on their skin color, rather than their academic achievement. In spite of being opposed, a new principal came into the school and detracted. He provided a fair learning environment to all. Being aware of the dangers of tracking, I can help spread caution. The second goal I met this semester was objective number 9 on the syllabus. Evaluate personal beliefs and professional experience related to multicultural gifted education issues. I met this by working on both of my position papers. This really allowed me to explore my passions and pursue gender equity. I learned a lot in this regard about challenges males face at school. I also discovered things I may be doing subconsciously, such as calling on females to answer questions less and reprimanding boys more severely. I also believe that the facilitation of discussion allowed me to choose what topic I wanted to become an expert in. I chose to study multicultural counseling in order to better serve the emotional needs of students. I am now more aware not only of the differences between cultures, but how it affects them in their daily life. These differences can play into their success at school. As far as my future plans go, the first area of growth I would like to work on is linguistic inequities. This is essential to my professional work since my school is predominantly Hispanic. We are over 60% Hispanic, with almost 20% of students being English language learners. These students can often be overlooked for gifted programs, yet still need to be engaged and challenged. I would like to find ways to increase their identification and educate other teachers on the fact that while these students are different, they can still be talented. They do not have to be special needs. My aim is to have equal representation across all races and all classes. My second area of growth is gender. As a female attending advanced math classes, I was a contrast to stereotypes. Society has a belief that women cannot be good at math. Due to this, many women are lacking confidence, which causes women to be severely underrepresented in high-paying careers in the STEM field. As a math teacher, I want to encourage young girls and minorities that they can be successful in math. I would like to start a club at my school, either for gifted girls or girls in math. This would be a place where they could talk to others like them who go through similar struggles. They can help motivate one another. So the first networking organization I want to join is the National Association for Gifted Children, or NAGC. This website is an excellent way to find statistics about gifted education. It also provides you with access to recommended strategies for gifted students. They have a journal they publish, the Gifted Child Quarterly, and it's a great way to hear about research currently being done. It keeps you up to date on practices. This is a large national organization, so you can discover many new connections. They also host conventions where you can find speakers on diversity, culturally responsive identification practices, GLBTQ, and gender, to name a few. The second organization is the National Latino Children's Institute. This is important for me at my school. They have great resources, including a journal and blogs, which provide a thorough discussion of issues and allows you to connect to others with similar beliefs and ideologies. This group is concerned with the whole student, including safety, health, culture, economics, and rights. These are vital for me to be an effective teacher. It also will keep me up to date so I continue to be aware of the challenges these students are facing. So thanks for watching. It's been a great semester.